Hello, I'm Chris with Sentinel Security Solutions. Today we're going to be going over a Qolsys IQ panel on how to replace the batteries in your Glassbreak detector. Locate your Glassbreak detector. Opposite of the clear lens here, on the back side there'll be a little tab you squeeze and pull it away from the wall.
Glassbreak tampered.
Grab your battery, pull it out. We're going to be replacing it with a CR123A battery. Make sure that you put it in here with the positive pointing up. You'll see these little tabs. Hook it back onto the left here and snap it into place. And that's how you replace your batteries in your Glassbreak detector.